Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so the carrier update installs cleanly. Check your iPhone model and currently installed iOS. Updates sometimes depend on specific builds. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug the phone into power to avoid interruption. Make a quick iCloud or local backup so you can restore settings if needed. Then open Settings and tap General to find the carrier section. That's where you'll trigger the update. You now execute the core steps to receive the provider update. From Settings, right arrow General, right arrow About, keep the screen open for 10 to 20 seconds. The device polls for carrier settings automatically. If a prompt appears, tap Update and let the phone apply changes. If no prompt shows, restart the phone or remove and reinsert the SIM to force a check. For eSIM users, open the carrier app or contact support to push the profile. You'll need their confirmation to finish. Finish by confirming that service features returned correctly. Check signal bars, VoLTE, APN, and MMS under Settings, right arrow Cellular so calls and data behave as expected. If connectivity or messaging fails, reset network settings to clear cached configurations. This won't erase media, but will remove saved Wi-Fi networks. If that fails, request a new carrier profile or provisioning from your provider. Sometimes they must push settings server-side. One key tip: always have your backup available before major resets so you can recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.